If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable HVAC service, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local provider of heating and air conditioning service, and we're committed to creating satisfied customers. No matter what type of HVAC work you need done, we can do it all. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to set up an appointment.
If you are watching this video, you are either freezing right now or you are roasting in your house because your heating or air conditioning is not working properly. You need fast service by trained professionals, so you were searching online. We are glad you found us because we can help. We could provide you with fast professional service at an affordable price. We believe in customer satisfaction and we are licensed and insured. Don't wait any longer. Just give us a call and we will be there right away and get it fixed as quickly as possible.
Are you in need of furnace repair? Is your current furnace breaking down or not operating properly? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local furnace repair service, and we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, and affordable. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Our furnace technicians have years of experience repairing all major brands of furnaces, and we get the job done right the first time. So contact us now and find out why so many local customers come to us for all of their furnace repair needs.
When searching for the right air conditioning contractor, keep these important things in mind. When it comes to your air conditioning, size and materials truly matter. An experienced contractor can assess the size of your cooling needs by using recognized methods and can also provide you with cost-effective and Energy Star qualified solutions. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find an air conditioning contractor that is right for you. 1. Make sure your written estimate includes details on cooling capacity, energy efficiency, and product warranties. 2. Your contractor should make sure that all duct sections are properly sized and that there is enough supply registers to deliver sufficient airflow to the right areas. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right air conditioning contractor. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.
Do you have a heating, ventilation, or air conditioning problem and need it fixed as soon as possible? Has it been a long time since the last time you have the HVAC system in your home or at your office maintained? Finding the right HVAC contractors can sometimes be hard. You need to make sure that they have the knowledge, skill, and experience to provide you with complete repair and maintenance services. That's why we're here to help. With a highly trained, licensed, insured, and experienced team of technicians, we're proud to offer the best services in the field. From sale, installation to repair and maintenance, we take each project with care and with a focus on open communication and getting the job done right the first time. Maintaining the ventilation, air, and heating systems in your home or office is the key to the longevity of your units and effective energy savings. So don't risk your money on an ineffective HVAC system. Call us today.
If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable plumber, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local plumbing service, and we're committed to creating satisfied customers and handling all of your plumbing needs. No matter what type of plumbing work you need done, we can do it all. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your plumbing service.
Finding an experienced plumber in Chicago that's also reliable has never been easier. If you have an emergency plumbing situation that can't wait, call 773-796-4555 right away. LocalPlumbingGuys.com will work quickly to solve all your plumbing needs. Don't try to tackle that plumbing project yourself. Give us a call today at 773-796-4555. We provide full-service residential and commercial plumbing professionals that are highly skilled. Our customers value both prompt response time and quality work. That's why we'll continue providing you with our premier plumbing service professionals throughout the Chicagoland area. If you need plumbing assistance for that runny toilet, kitchen sink, or even serious drainage problem, we have you covered. Our services include sewer cleaning and repair, drain stoppages and repiping, and so much more. We're here to give you peace of mind. Call us right away for assistance at 773-796-4555.
Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. If you're ready to order or just want more information, please contact us now via the email address below or simply call the number on your screen. We look forward to talking with you.